Users can effortlessly create marketing advertisements by simply inputting a topic, such as chocolate, and selecting their preferred length and tone. The artificial intelligence then generates customized content tailored to the provided specifications, ensuring relevance and engagement. When it comes to social media content, users may request concise and humorous ideas, including themes such as jokes about food and beverages. Cider efficiently produces a variety of creative suggestions, making the process quick and enjoyable for users seeking inspiration. Moreover, the tool assists users in drafting formal emails, such as those notifying recipients about postponed projects. By specifying the desired tone, users receive well-structured email drafts in mere moments, facilitating effective communication in professional settings. Employing AI for grammar correction offers users valuable insights into their writing mistakes, fostering a learning environment. This capability can significantly benefit non-native speakers, as it enhances their overall language proficiency and understanding. In addition, custom prompts are available, enabling users to tailor their inquiries for more detailed answers on a wide array of topics, such as writing enhancement or specific subject matter questions. This feature significantly enhances user engagement with the AI, making interactions more effective. Furthermore, summarizing lengthy responses from AI tools can effectively streamline information, rendering it more digestible for users. This process aids in retaining crucial details while preventing the overload of information that may otherwise hinder comprehension. Cider displays answers and sources on the right side of the browser, thereby offering users alternative information as they search. This additional feature enriches the overall search experience, encouraging informed decision-making while navigating content. The extension also provides direct access to answers from ChatGPT, catering to users who prefer AI-generated responses. Such integration underscores the versatility of Cider, making it a valuable tool for diverse user needs. Finally, users are encouraged to delve deeper into Cider's array of additional features, as numerous functionalities await discovery. Experimentation with the extension can significantly enhance both browsing experiences and information retrieval efficiency.